Okay, I've started to do the back part there just to explain how I got the measurements for it. From these corners here, which is basically these corners here, I measured the distance between there and there, and I've extended this line out here and then here, and I measured that size and marked it on there, marked it on there, and then I did a similar thing so I can find out how far out it goes, and then I measured how high up it was from the top of that, so I measured that and marked it, and then I was able to find out the top, and then I measured how far it was to the bottom, and again I've marked that. Doing the wee fillets, I've added 2 extra lines here, and then I measured that height there, and then all you do is from the corner you mark a point there and there, and then from each of these you do a wee arc there, a wee arc there, and then you draw around to do a circle. You can do that the other visible corners that you've got. Right, to do the last bit, what I'm going to do is just extend these corners back the right width, or the right depth I should say. So I just extend them back like that, like that, like that, and measure how wide it needs to be. Measure that there, you can see it. Mark that on there, and that way I know where I'm going to be able to mark. Draw the vertical line here as well, and then draw the the horizontal line there. And then it's just a matter again of measuring the size of the fillet. Mark a point there, mark a point there, draw an arc there and there, and then you just draw in your wee fillet. Okay. You don't need to draw the whole thing because not all of it's going to be seen. So there, and there, point there, and there, and then just draw in your fillet. And the weight. Same on this side. Here, and then down here. Just really extend that so that I know exactly where it is. So there, and then a couple of. This is going to be very small. This one, I'm not going to see very much of this at all. So there, and then there finally, and then we just draw it in. I'm going to draw in the bits that I can see, so I'm going to be able to see a wee bit like that. Okay, and then like we did previously, find the 45 from the centre, find the 45 degree point, and that's your tangent, so that's just going to draw to there. And same here, from the centre of this one, find your tangent point, and then draw to there. Okay, and now folks, it's just a matter of lining all this in. So I'm just going to do that, and that's the drawing finished. Quite a long drawing to complete. A lot of kind of tricky wee bits, not difficult bits, but tricky wee bits to complete, I would say. So don't forget to darken in as best you can your fillets, because that really makes all the difference when it comes to the final drawing. Just take your time and go over them as dark as you can to make them stand out from your instruction lines. Feel free to stop the video here if you like. I'm just going to keep going though and draw them all in. until I've got my final drawing done. And just tidy up as much of it as I can. And you really should, you should take your time to do this. And don't decide, oh, I don't have time for that, I'll just leave it, because in an exam setting, if you don't darken in your outlines and it's not clear the difference between the outlines and the actual construction lines, then you end up getting no marks for your outlines at all. There's one more thing I need to do, which you might have noticed, or maybe not. There's actually wee lines here, 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 and also along there, because these are actual indented parts. Just going to about that centre line that was there. Generally I would advise against a lot of rubbing out, but sometimes, especially if you're doing what I'm doing, which is using quite a soft pencil just so that you can see it in the video, you might want to tidy things up a bit. Just about there. Okay, I'll stop there, and that's what we're looking for.